Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus. In this video, we're diving into how to create a stacked clustered chart in Inforiver Analytics Plus in just a few clicks. Let's say you want to visualize quarterly sales across different product categories and regions. To do so, you will need a categorical variable for clustering, a subcategorical variable for grouping within clusters, and multiple numerical columns for stacking. Now, on your canvas, add Inforiver Analytics Plus Visual and populate the data fields. Next, expand the toolbar and head over to Chart Type. Select the Clustered Grouped Column chart to group your data into clusters. To stack the columns, go to Pivot Data, and make sure the Stacked data field is populated with your stacking variable, which in this case is region. Now add the numerical data to the actuals and comparison data fields. And that's it. You have now configured a clean, insightful stacked clustered chart with Inforiver Analytics Plus. Thanks for watching. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft AppSource to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.